Okay, just took the clamps out of it, and this is the mast, as straight as it can be. Well, now on you better start calling me master. One corner, the other corner. One corner, the other corner. Well, now I have to put two little pieces here for the masthead, glue them, and then in the end I'll sand the whole thing. I have to make the rounds around the corners. So this whole thing, I'll just use the planer first, just to get rid of this, and then I'll start sanding. So like I said, don't spend too much sandpaper. And then I'll cut the ends. This end here, about ½ inch. This end about ½ inch, and the other end there about ½ inch. And that would be the thing. Then I'll put the track, the sail track. Then it'll be the varnish time. Couple of coats of sealer. Drill the holes. Be a big hole here where it holds the spreader. And another hole up on the top for the masthead. For the upper shrouds, actually, masthead is just stays there by itself. So this is how far we are. I'm just waiting for the battery to charge. It's blinking there. So I can take off these pieces that I needed to keep the mast from twisting. And I'll just start working on it. It's too early, I don't want to make noise and wake up the neighbors with saw and planers. So, later, bye.